It's a great festival of democracy which everybody likes to celebrate with a true democratic spirit. लोकशाही प्रमाणे तुम्ही जाणा सगळ्या हक एकूच दिल्लो आसा, वोट एकूच दिल्लो आसा, कोणूय तो जावं आनी कितलोय श्रीमंत कितलोय गरीब, कोणूय तूं व्हडले पदार आहा ल्हान पदार आहा, पूण घटने प्रमाणे प्रत्येक जाणाक अधिकार जो दिल्लो आसा आपले भविष्य फुडार कितें जातलो ते डिसायड करपाक. आनी म्हाका दिसता हें खूब बरी गजाल जावन आसा. आनी हांव तरी हें म्हाजे 7वें टायम हांव इलेक्शनाक वोट करता. सो पाटी हांव पयलीं रावपी वास्को म्हणजे मंगोर हिल, हांव सदांच ते पोलिंग स्टेशनाक वोट करतालो, तुमी पळयलां आसतलें. सो पाटी जिखून सुद्दां म्हाजो वोट सदां हांव दुसऱ्याक घालतालो, दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन. फर्स्ट टायम I have voted for myself. In the same way, my son is the first time voter. Both of us have voted here, and I stay in Chikalim in my own constituency now. So, हे भाशेन म्हाका दिसता political parties set up candidates as per the system, as you know, and then who graviates on certain principles towards which party, which individual makes propaganda, which individuals propagate certain ideas, and that's how political parties are made. Political parties are born with a collective wisdom and a collective opinion, and then those who subscribe to that view, to that ideology, obviously you get attracted to the party, and then you have candidates put up by them. Of course, nowadays under the democratic process, things are becoming a little diluted, especially in smaller states like Goa. The individual becomes quite more important than even the political party. We have seen it happening many times. But even then, it is a balance between the individual and the party. So, as I stand as a proud candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is the largest democratic party in the world, with the largest membership, which speaks volumes of how much this party has grown. The very fact that 12 people from the minorities are contesting out of 40 seats shows this party has reached out to everyone, shows that it does not believe in majority and minority, shows that people of all hues and cries are gravitating to BJP. BJP म्हणून आमचे माननीय प्रधानमंत्रीचे ते स्लोगनच जाला, सगळ्यांक घेवन मुखार वचपाचें.